morning, class.
Good morning.
I'm Miss Hunter.
And I'm Miss Turner, as y'all already know.
Okay, today we'll be doing a review over complex sentences, and I have a quick little video for y'all to watch before we start our activities for today. Make sure y'all are paying attention because I will ask a couple of questions afterwards. So, you guys tell me what makes up a complex sentence? Okay. And what else do you have to have in a complex sentence in order for it to make sense? What type of conjunction? Sam?
Subordinate.
Why? If you don't have a subordinate conjunction, does it make any sense?
No.
No. So you have to have a subordinate conjunction in order for it to make a complex sentence, right? Okay. So today we'll be doing an activity with complex sentences, and Ms. Turner will pass out the construction paper and the sentences for you to cut out.
Pass these out to the girls for me. And pass these out to all the boys. Maddie, wanna do me a favor? To that blue box right there on that desk, put everyone a pair of scissors in their tray. I'm not gonna call on you because you raising your hand.
And I was just
Davion,
thinking,
since you're falling asleep, pass these out to everyone quick.
and I was just thinking, you don't have.
It's actually back there. It's better for them to do glue sticks though, and they might need to share with a partner on that.
Just pass out one for each.
Yeah, well, actually, in this class, they'll have enough. Each person will have enough.
Okay. Pass these out to everyone. Pass them out, by groups, who pairs on it.
For complex, someone's talking. For, complex, they can, I would like for them to alternate. Sometimes put dependent first, sometimes put independent.
Okay.
If dependent goes first, what do you put after it? Hey, listen up. If a dependent clause comes first, what comes after it? No, guys, listen. If a dependent clause that cannot stand on its own, if it's at the beginning of the sentence, what comes after it? Okay, I'm going to try one more time. You have an independent clause that can stand by itself, right? Dependent cannot. So if your dependent comes first at the beginning of a sentence, when I went to bed, what do I need to put after it? I'm gonna just let the teachers take over. If you're not sure, does anybody know the answer? Because we've been doing this all week. Does anybody know the answer to what goes after a dependent clause if it's at the beginning? Well, an independent clause comes, but what comes in between them? A comma. Some of you did say a comma, but not a lot. So I'm a little concerned. You do have a test today. I'd be paying attention.
Okay. Number 1. Is everybody ready? Okay. Who wants to read the first sentence? Keep reading. Read the whole thing. Going straight across. Okay, so because she was so cold, is that the dependent clause or the independent clause?
Dependent.
Okay, so everybody cut the dependent clause out. And why is that the dependent clause? So what conjunction makes it a dependent clause? The subordinate conjunction?
Say subordinate. Madison, you have a warning. You do not get up without permission.
So because she was so cold, what is that again, class? Okay, and Sarah put on her gloves is what?
Before you guys glue it down, label your construction paper. One side independent and the other side dependent.
Well, no, it's gonna depend on some of them. 'Cause it's
Okay.
That's why I was asking her. No, thank you, I'm just saying. You guys see it? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute to get that cut out and move on to the next sentence.
You want them to glue it on too, as they glue it on?
Mhm.
Yeah, for second period, though, they might have to, yeah, first period.
Okay, I'm gonna give you about 30 more seconds and we're moving on. Okay, whenever he was mad, Sam took 10 deep breaths. Whenever he was mad is what type of clause? Whenever he was mad, look at the first word. What is that? Dependent clause? Why is that a dependent clause?
Cause of whenever.
And whenever is what? Good. And Sam took 10 deep breaths is what type of clause? Independent clause. You almost finished cutting out? So for the first one, I want you to put the dependent clause, write the dependent on it.
I get what you're saying. Some of them you're gonna put independent first. Gotcha, okay.
Yeah, the way it's on the paper, some of them are independent
Yes.
first. That's why I didn't wanna split it up.
I got what you're saying now, sorry. I just realized it.
Okay. And then for the second part, put independent.
Oh, yeah, and I would like them to write the you know what on there whenever the dependent comes first. That would be awesome. Y'all know what you're gonna write? After that dependent clause?
Can you guys see that pretty good?